But that shouldn't affecting anything mechanical.
Yeah, that won't affect anything mechanically.
So
So this is a 5-year-old carrier unit. And just looking at how, as you can see, this is the filter motor killer 10,000, super hyperallergenic. But other than that, this is a 16-inch. This is a 16-inch cabinet. But look at the airflow, the bypass right here. So she tried to get a 17 once before. She got a 17-inch, which is not made for this, and a 17-inch is too wide and it won't fit in there. But a 16-inch, look at all that bypass. And so it sucks up, and I can actually feel the suction, especially with this restrictive filter. It sucks up like that, and look at that big gap. And but this is such a immaculately clean house, you could eat off the floors. Look at how clean this is. 5 years old. Have you ever seen, and you use this all the time for cooling, right?
yeah, every day.
Every day. So this furnace is running every day for 5 years, and you've never had it serviced?
No.
No. Look at how clean that is. It looks like it was just installed. It looks like it's never been used.
Yeah, I am a clean person though.
I know. Wait, very, very. I mean, it looks like this has never been used. But yeah, so that's definitely might figure something out there later on. What I could do possibly is get you one of the, use this as your filter box, and can get you one of those super hyperallergenic filters that are 4 or 5 inches deep to fit here, and then this gets removed and it never goes in there, and all your air gets filtered through a deep filter that won't have air restriction, because this is pretty restrictive. But right now, let's get on to the problem with it's not sending a 24-volt signal to call to the upstairs contactor.
So I just restarted it,